at my brand new house for the first time ever. Taking you along with me, and I'm giving you guys some vlogging tips on the way. All right, this is it. This is the last time we're gonna be looking at this house. This is where my first viral video was filmed. I don't know, in the bathroom, but it was I found out I was pregnant with this one. My first video that hit 1 million views was filmed in this room right here. And my first ever video that was filmed for navigating YouTube was filmed in this corner right here. This house started my YouTube channel, started my business. Well, not started, but I started my business here. I started my YouTube channel here. I lost my job while living here. But it's all led up to this very moment where we sold our house and we are about to go look at my brand new house for the first time ever. Never seen it in person, so taking you along with me, and I'm giving you guys some vlogging tips on the way. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye, house. Say we'll miss you. Thank you for 5 wonderful years. I have not planned out this vlog, and vlogs are very searchable if you plan them ahead of time. So there's a couple of ways I can go about this, and it's only because I've done keyword research so much. So I can either do one, vlogging tips or how to vlog. I can go the route of seeing the home for the first time, traveling alone with 2 toddlers. But those are all search terms that people are like typing in. So you want to make sure that you're searching for those first, so you know how to like really position your vlog and like what to film and center your vlog around. Also, forgot my extra battery at the house, so I'm on a time crunch, but this is good because it means that I'm not gonna film like a ton of stuff, which is gonna take forever in editing. So that's another one why you wanna not really script, because then you don't wanna have a scripted vlog, but really plan out like, okay, I'm gonna film here and then I'm gonna talk about this and things like that. Okay, so we just landed in Vegas. My friend just popped into Starbucks really quick, but I guess tip number 2 is expect the unexpected. That was not gonna be tip number 2, but it is. So I'm currently filled with puke. My son was running through the terminal, and to the point where he just overexerted himself, got sick, and I'm literally trying to cup his like puke and like run to the trash can because we would not have been able to make it to the bathroom. And so he has a change. He just fell asleep. So yeah, I mean, I got to a point where I wanted to stop vlogging because it gets overwhelming, but just know that you can definitely put it into your story and it adds character and makes people laugh, and it's definitely a way to increase your audience retention because, you know, everyone likes a good story time. Tip number 3 though was always think about your transition. So honestly, when it comes to YouTube and vlogging, it's storytelling, so you want to make sure that you are telling your story with like your transitional period. So basically when I went through when I went through the tunnel, and then all of a sudden on the other side you saw us walking into the airport, things like that. So I'm actually able to think of those on the spot. I mean, I'm no expert, but the more you do it, the more you can get creative with it. So just make sure you're not like jumping from like you're at a house and then you're at the store. Like, show us how you got there, and it really does up your production level and it helps your storytelling ability. And finally, your last 20 seconds should not be a goodbye, should not say anything of like this video is ending, because as soon as you say bye, people are going to drop off your video, and then if you keep talking for 5 minutes, you've just lost your audience retention rate. So the best thing to do is direct them to another one of your videos that is similar. For example, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to check out this video right here that tells you more tips on how to start your lifestyle vlogging channel, all set down in the pinned comments below. Now get out there, make some content and let's grow together.